Construction part 2, to construct an angle of 60 degree at the initial point of a given ray. At the initial point of the given ray. This is what how in class in ninth and as well as in class 10th we will use compass to draw the angles, not protractor. So we have to study how many angles we can draw by using compass only. So here we can draw the 60 degree. There is a method to draw a 60 degree. If a ray is given, and you can write the steps of constructions also. Uh, this is a given ray, and its initial point is A. Okay, and terminating. Suppose this is AB is a line. So we have to draw the angle 60 degree at A. So take compass. Now, if you take any radius of this compass, it is up to you now. You can take any radius of this compass and keep it here, any radius. It is up to you. Keep it at this point. Take any radius. You can decrease the radius. You can see that I will do it with different radius, but there is a property due to which we will get always 60 degree angle. But this should be kept at the correct point only. Okay. So, oh, this should not be changed. Huh? Then should not be changed whenever you will keep here and cut this arc. Always you will get 60 degree. Put here and cut this arc. And when you join it, you will get 60 degree always. Now you can take the ruler and join these 2 points. Draw the line. Okay. This line is always making an angle of 60 degree always. Okay. So this angle will be always 60 degree. Which angle? This angle is always 60 degree. Whether you take any radius, this will be 60 degree. Now I will show you with taking another radius. Huh? Now we can take some bigger one, radius, and we can put here at this point. Should be placed at the exact point, otherwise there will be a difference of angle. If you are putting at same time, same point, now you can draw the arc, or you can take more bigger. Now we have taken how much? 89.2. No, this is a degree, but yeah, 5.9 centimeter. Huh? Radius is 5.9 centimeter, and draw this arc. Now radius should be same, and then when you cut this arc with the same radius, you will get at the same point. It will intersect the previous arc at the same point. Yes, correct. So always, so this is the property that whenever you will take any arc and you will cut from this point, always you will get 60 degree. So this is the way to draw the 60 degree. First arc, this is A1, suppose this is A1. So from A1 you can cut, you will get, and this is A2, second radii. So any radius we can take and we can cut, we will get always 60 degree. Yes, Vishesh.
Sir, if I do this 60-degree by another method, then it's okay. Yeah, 60-degree we need to construct. That's the main aim. Yeah.
Which method? Tell me.
Sir, I draw a line segment, then with particular radius, I draw a circle. Sir, I'll show you, sir. Here, I draw one line like this, and then with some any radius, I draw here one circle. Okay, I draw here one circle. Suppose this is the radius. Okay, this one. So I put the point here, and with the same radius, I cut here the arc, and now put the center. Means now put the point here and cut arc here. So line passing through this point will be 60-degree, and line passing through this point will be 120-degree. Like this, sir. I do. Sorry, means like this here and here. This is 120 and 60. And
So
then
this
when I
is
want to
same.
bisect,
This is same.
sorry, sir.
Only you have this is the same that I have done. Just you have extended this arc before here, and you cut another part so that we will, if we want to draw 120 degree, if we want to draw 120 degree, in that case we can do it this one. But unnecessarily, if we need 60 degree, why we will go for 120 degree? Is this the wasting of time or not? Tell
Yes, sir.
me.
Yes, sir.
If suppose we need 120 degree, okay. So let me show that it. I'll extend it to 120 degree. Suppose this angle is 60 degree, but we have to draw one How much? 120
120.
degree. Huh? So same way we will extend this arc. This arc will be extended. Okay. And then after cutting here, we will cut another arc. Then when we will join this, we will get 120 degree. This angle will be 120 degree. This will be 120 degree. And arc is a part of a line. Oh, sorry, arc is a part of a circle. So that's why you cannot draw. You cannot say that I'm drawing the circle. We are not going to make the full circle. So part of the circle, whether it is big or small, part of the circle is an arc. So if we need to draw 120 degree, actually we have the questions to draw 120 and many angles. So that will come later on. But here from this point to this point, this is 120 degree, double of this. Okay. And if we have asked to draw
Yes, sir.
60 degree and we are doing this 120 and then cutting and then making 60 degree. So we are just like a fool because we are doing more than the required things and wasting our time. Huh? So make 60 degree only. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, now next construction is,
Yes, sir.
so we have to draw an angle of 90 degree. Whether it is written or not written, generally we have to draw all the angles by using compass. Okay. So here also we have to draw an angle of 90 degree at the initial point of the line. This is a ray. At this point we have to draw an angle of 90 degree at this point O. Okay. So again, take a compass and you can decide any suitable radius. Once you have decided the radius, now you should not change it. Okay. Now do not change it. Put at this point, draw an arc, then again
Sir, do undo.
this is product. Okay, so now again we can do it this one. Draw an arc. Okay. Then now okay. Now you can change the radius. If you want, you can change the radius, but we don't have the place, so can decrease it and at these 2 points draw 2 arcs. Yeah. One arc from here, another arc very small to take it here. Okay. This is a ray. You have to draw 90-degree. This is point O. This is a ray. And now take the compass. Any radius, you can take any radius. But here the problem comes when you will take very small radius, then holding becomes difficult. So an arc, put at this point, another arc with this point. Okay. Now without changing the radius also, you can do it. At these 2 points, draw 2 arcs which will intersect each other at this point. Okay, now you get the 90-degree angle joined. So almost 90 degrees. Yes. So we get 90-degree angle here. Okay, this is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degrees. So our question was to draw 90 degree without using compass. This is a ray. You can write the steps of one section. First,
Sir, if we bisect this angle, it will be 45 degree, right? So for 45 degree, we have to use the bisecting method or there's another method?
from this and this point, we can This method we can also use from this point to this point. First 90 degree, if they ask to draw the bisector of 90 degree, then we can put here compass and here, and we can draw the bisector. Constructions. So first, what we did first, this is point A, suppose OA, draw a ray OA. Then with center O, with center O, and suitable radius. Draw a semicircle, or we can say the arc, because no need to draw a semicircle, but more than one more than we have to draw more than 120 degree. That's why they said to draw a semicircle. So we can write semicircle also. This, if line this will come up to here, it will be a semicircle. So we can say that draw a semicircle. At the meeting end, we draw a semicircle.
Sir, 10 minutes left.
Yes, which intersects OA at B. Suppose this is point B. So now with the same radius, this semicircle is divided into three equal parts. That means BC, this is C, BC, CD, and here you can, if you want, you can extend this point, and this point can be taken as E. Or you can say that with same radius, with center B and same radius, draw an arc, cutting the previous arc at C, and the next step with center C and the same radius as in the previous step, cut another arc, draw another arc which cuts the previous arc at D, and with center C and D, draw two arcs which will intersect each other at F, and join OF. OF is perpendicular to OA, so OF is 90 degrees. So it is up to you. You can write in short. Better to write in short. Hmm. So you can write together both the arcs. Draw two arcs with centers B and C. We cannot say B and C because first we have to draw the first arc, then second arc. So in this case, better to write that, divide the semicircle into three equal parts. That will be the short. Now divide semicircle into three equal parts. That is BC, arc BC is equal to arc CD is equal to arc DE. And fourth point, with centers C and D and same and mean suitable radius. We can change here, we can change the radius here with center C and D and with suitable radius. Suitable same radius. Draw two arcs. Draw two arcs intersecting each other at F. And the last point, join OF, join OF, then angle AOF is equal to 90 degrees. This is the steps of construction. And it's a semicircle, so we can do by justification because these are the three equal chords, so they will make the equal angle at the center. In justification, we have to take the semicircle because these three equal chords, we will take the three equal chords for justification and then we can prove it. See, here, these are the equal chords. BC, chord BC is equal to chord CD, arc, sorry, CD and R, D, E, DE, correct. These are the three equal arcs, therefore they will make the same angle at the center. This will make the same angle at this center point here. This will also make some angle, same angle, and so these all three angles will be same. So we can say that BOC angle BOC will be angle equal to angle COD. This is what justification. Justification is equal to angle DOE. So all these three angles are equal. Okay. And sum of the angles in semicircle is 180 degree straight angle. So their sum is all are having their sum BOC plus angle COD plus angle DOE is equal to 180 degree. So each angle is equal. We can say each angle is equal to, or we can write instead of BOC, COD, and instead of same angle we can replace, and then we can get 3 times angle BOC. This will be replaced both by BOC, so is equal to 180 degrees. That means each angle is 60 degree. So angle BOC is equal to 60 degree. Okay. When it is 60 degree, then OF is the bisector of this angle. Therefore, this will be 30 degree because OF is the bisector. You can see this is the construction of bisector. So since O angle CO angle COF is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, angle AOF will be equal to BOC plus COF angle BOC plus angle COF. So BOC, this is BOC 60 degree, each angle is 60 degree, here it is 60 degree. This we have to show 90 degree. Yeah? So BOC is 60 degree and COF is 30 degree, so 60 plus 30 90-degree proof. Just like a proof, we have to do the justification. Okay, got it?